everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video you will learn how you can easily delete your account or how you can close your account in Etoro. So let's start. Let's click on menu here. You want to scroll down and go to settings. When you're gonna click on settings, you want to click on your second thing and profile. Here, what you want to do is just scroll down below. And the last thing you will have here, click here to close your Etoro account. Now here you want to click here. Tell us why you're leaving. Let's go like account issue, problem with the service, continue. No, please close my account. And then just continue and confirm. And this is how you actually do it. So I think it's quite simple. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down below in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you. So let's go again, back. And trade markets. So again, menu, settings, and here, and click close account. So this is how you can actually do it. So thank you very much everybody for watching. I hope you're going to have a great day, and yeah, thank you, see ya, and goodbye.